everybody. I just wanted to give you an update on my garden. So we've got sunflowers here, 2 different kinds. This one's about to open. And then this one is about ready to dry out. These are all sunflowers. I trimmed them up to the top. It looks like maybe they're getting ready to open. I started a bucket for watermelon. Apparently they grow everywhere, so I'm keeping them in a bucket. We've got carrots, another carrot. I don't know what that is. More carrot. Then these are cucumber, which are just sporadically growing. See? Carrots, this sunflower, cucumber, that's cayenne pepper. These are sunflower varieties right here. Looks like they're about to open. More sunflowers. Cayenne pepper. All of these I've planted either peas or corn to get them started. And then this is a sunflower, but I accidentally broke it dragging the hose the other day. Wah, wah. We've got more sunflowers here, sunflower variety. These are onions, I don't know what kind. These are trees that I pulled from the field. They're cedar trees, except for that one. I don't know what kind of pine that is. I don't think they like direct sunlight, so I was gonna find somewhere else on property where I can plant them. These are more that I pulled from the field that weren't doing very well. So different kinds of pine. This is a white pine. These are also some white pines that I pulled from the field that are not doing very well at all. Here's the corn. So I took the corn that was growing in there and those, sorry, a bug just hit my ear. And I moved them here. So we've got the big daddy corn. We've got more corn and then another corn, and then that's the 4th. In addition to all these little seedlings, I've also planted more corn until I can expand out this garden area. And then I also planted more corn along here, which I'm not sure that they'll grow because this was treated with a weed killer earlier this year. So we'll see. These are cone flowers. They take like 100 days to bloom. So we've got lettuce growing here. This is my first time growing lettuce. Those are cone flowers, I believe. And then I can't remember what these are. This is celery. I just got celery seeds. These are lettuce. This is like a different kind of lettuce. It's the more nutritious kind of lettuce. Just to get it started, I start them in here. And then these are peas, edible pea pods. So that's my most recent update on the garden. I also built this bench, which I literally just used Kreg jig screws. These are size 2-inch. And I just, since they're self-tapping, I was able to use my impact driver, Ryobi. Ryobi's my favorite. I just took these squares that were already existing in this piece of wood, and I just drilled them together. It's not perfectly level, but it'll do. So I sit like this. Hope y'all are having a good day. Thanks for watching my update. Jessica Kirsh here.